In this video, you will learn how to read this. In the last video, we talked about major and minor chords. In this video, we will talk about diminished and augmented chords. You can create these chords by knowing the major chord. You will eventually learn all four types of triads and will not need to refer to the major chord. Let us start with a C major chord. To create a minor chord, lower the third a half step, so lower the note E natural to E flat. To create a diminished chord, you lower the fifth a half step, so lower the note G natural to G flat. This creates a diminished fifth in the chord. The diminished chord is indicated by adding a dim or a small circle to the letter name of the chord. Back to the major chord. To create an augmented chord, raise the fifth up a half step. So raise the note G natural to G sharp. This creates an augmented chord. The augmented chord is indicated by an AUG or a plus sign to the letter name of the chord. Let us make an F diminished chord. Stack the thirds above F, so that would be the notes A and C. In the key of F, there is only a B flat, so this chord is F major. To make this a diminished chord, lower the third and fifth a half step, so lower the note A natural to an A flat, and lower the note C natural to a C flat. Now we have an F diminished chord. Let us make another one, an E flat diminished chord. Stack the thirds above E flat, so that would be the notes G and B. In the key of E flat, there is a B flat and a G natural. So this chord is E flat major. So to make this a diminished chord, lower the third and fifth a half step. So lower the note G natural to a G flat, and lower the note B flat to a B double flat. Now we have an E flat diminished chord. Let us make a D augmented chord. Stack the thirds above D, so that would be the notes F and A. In the key of D, there are two sharps, an F sharp and a C sharp. So this chord is D major. To make this an augmented chord, raise the fifth up a half step. So raise the note A natural to A sharp. Now we have a D augmented chord. Let us make one more, a B flat augmented chord. Stack the thirds above B flat, so that would be the notes D and F. In the key of B flat, there are two flats, a B flat and an E flat. So this chord is B flat major. To make this an augmented chord, raise the fifth a half step, so raise the note F natural to F sharp. Now we have a B flat augmented chord. And here is what you have learned today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.